here. What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C-Will back at it with another I repeat, another slight video, man. Y'all look, in today's video, man, well, actually it's the same day, you heard me? So it's the same exact day, man, that we did the 5% tint all the way around video, man, right? So yeah, I'm knocking out 2 videos for y'all, bro, in one day, man. 2 birds in one stone, CEEFAM. So yeah, in today's video, man, we also gonna be going get our mid muffler delete right after we had left the damn tent shop, bro. So tent shop, mid muffler delete. Let's get to it, man. Look, y'all new to the channel, bro. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, bro. I'm gonna turn this boy on. It's kind of a warm start, CEEFAM, but it is what it is. Y'all kind of already know what this boy sound already, maybe based off the POV video that I dropped. You heard me? So yeah, I'm gonna go place the camera, bro, in the back of the car, y'all, and then just, yeah, let y'all hear this car. Let y'all hear how it sound, you heard me? So yeah, y'all new to the channel, bro. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. Let's get to it. All right, y'all. So look, first things first, bro. I'm about to give y'all boys a smooth, light, slight cold start, man. So it's cold to like warm start. You hear me? Like it's not super cold, man. It was like 36 degrees this morning, bro, in San Antonio, which is crazy work for Texas, y'all. But yeah, let me get y'all boys a light, slight, warm start right here. You know, bro. I don't even know if y'all heard anything, bro. Swear. You know what I mean? Hopefully y'all boys can hear something, bro. But yeah, I already know y'all this mid muffler delete, bro. It should wake it up. You know what I mean? I know my homeboy James, bro, like the dude who won the silver Trackhawk, his shit came with a Corsa exhaust. Boy, it was some craziness, bro. So his was loud, bro. But me personally, CEEFAM, I feel like the mid muffler delete, it definitely gives you, bro, like the best bang for your buck, bro. Right? It's cost effective, bro. You know what I mean? It'll allow your car to breathe better. You know what I mean? Some people say, bro, oh no, you cheaping out. No. Listen, whenever you get your own Trackhawk, bro, go do whatever you want to do. But I've done a mid muffler delete, bro, on all my cars, y'all, and they was all loud. Every car I own, bro, was loud. I'm not one CEEFAM to be conservative with my neighbors. I don't care about that. You only live once, bro. I'm cool with everybody. So yeah, never had somebody tell me, oh man, your car's too loud. Can you park it down here? None of that, CEEFAM. But yeah, I'm going for the loud sound, bro, right? The Trackhawk is not meant to be quiet. It's not meant to be baby. It's not meant to be in the garage. It's not meant, man, this thing's supposed to be thunderous and loud, CEEFAM. So that's the approach I'm going with this car, bro. I'm gonna put y'all down, right? And I'm gonna put the car in track, and I'm gonna just let y'all hear how the car sound. I might just do a couple revs, bro. I'm not gonna go crazy on the RPM, CEEFAM, but I'm gonna just give y'all boys a couple revs right quick of how this boy sound. I guess stock, but in track. All right, so yeah, let me put y'all boys down right quick, man. Set up the camera and then go from there, bro. So hopefully, CEEFAM, y'all boys was able to hear, man, exactly how this boy sound, bro. You heard me? So yeah, let me know what y'all boys think. You know, this boy definitely too quiet for me, for my liking, y'all. But yeah, it's all good, man. So yeah, now let's get over to the damn shop, get this boy nice and shit cut up, and then yeah, get mid muffler delete. Need that. All right, y'all, shit. Just now got to the shop, man. They about to put this boy up on the lift. Jeez, it's fire, bro. Oh no, I just got my window tint done. I got it. It's okay. Damn. I should have told you. I mean, it's okay. I mean, he didn't know. He didn't know. Okay. Okay. Thank you, bro. But yeah, y'all. How you doing, man? You all right? Sheesh. Yeah, y'all got this boy up on the ramp, man. See, should be cool, bro. I'm praying, bro, that nothing happened to the tent, but we're gonna see. It should be good though, y'all. Should be good. He said he don't think nothing should happen. Okay, it's too easy, man. Cause yeah, I'm not trying to pay for one more window to get done. That'll probably suck, but it's all good, bro. All right, y'all. So everybody looking under the car right now. Shit, I'm looking under the car too. But from what it looked like, let me see. So this is the first look underneath the car. Yeah, thank you, boss. Yeah, so literally it's this boy right here that needs to get off. Yeah.
Only this, not the back.
So it should only be this one right here, boss. I don't want to do anything. I don't want to do anything to these ones. These ones right here are okay. These ones right here are okay. I just want to cut this suitcase little thing off right here, and then get one pipe straight, boom, and then another pipe straight, boom. That's it. So it should be cool. It should be simple. It should be, you know. I think the guy yesterday told me $140. I don't know if that sounds accurate. 150. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, because somebody told me yesterday 140, but that's fine. That's fine, bro.
Okay.
That'll work.
All right.
So yeah, see, fam, I was telling them shit. All we gonna do, man, is cut this big suitcase thing off and just put a straight pipe here to here and here to here, man. So yeah, that should be it, man. My guy finna start working right here, man. So I'm gonna get out their way. But yeah, I don't think, y'all, I wanted to cut these boards right here off. No, I don't want it to sound too drone-ish, you know, CEEFAM. So yeah, this board right here finna get cut off, man. Get them 2 pipes. And then yeah, I'm keeping these boards right here on though, because I don't want it to sound drone. No drone in that mug. I can't be droney. So yeah, should be good, man. Shit should be loud as fuck. I'm looking forward to it though. But yeah, I'm gonna get out my guys' way so they can work, bro, because I don't want no problems. So should be good, bro. I'm excited. So sheesh, let them boys work. Crazy as hell, bro. Damn. Hey, CEEFAM, look. I don't mean this in no harm. I don't mean no disrespect, bro, to any races out there, bro. I respect everybody. I respect every race, bro. But man, nobody work harder than Hispanics, bro. Nobody work harder than Hispanics, bro. Mexican, whatever you are, bro. Nobody work harder than Mexicans, bro. Not black people, not white people. I'm just saying, I love everybody, but I respect everybody, bro. But man, Mexicans, bro, they have you in and out. They build you a house in 2 months. They'll get your car fixed in, boy, 30 minutes. You hear me? They work hard for their money, bro. So my deepest, utmost respect, bro, to Mexicans out there, bro. Hispanics out there, bro. Hey, y'all boys work hard. You hear me? So, and they also, bro, great price, man. You know, I think what the name of this shop, I think it's called Hernandez. Hold on, boy. I had this bit too. Whatever, bro. I'm gonna let y'all know the name of the shop, bro, later on. But yeah, I pulled in, bro. Didn't have to wait. Didn't have to do nothing, CEEFAM. So yeah, this shop, bro, them boys on it, bro. And they only charged me $150, you know. I could have sworn a guy told me $140 yesterday. But hey, even $150, bro, it's cool. I'm used to paying more than that. Crazy enough for a mid-muffler delete, bro. And 2 pipes. That's it, you heard me? So yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all boys in tune, man. But hey, shout out to Mexicans out there in the world, man. Like I said, we'll love everybody, bro. You heard me? But man, I trust Mexicans the most to work on my car, bro. I don't give a fuck. Stay tuned, man. Let's get to it. All right, y'all. So look, they just cut off, bro, this big resonator or this big suitcase, whatever y'all want to call this boy. This boy is fat, huge as hell. Y'all look. So as y'all can see, man, this boy right here is humongous, bro. I can't believe Dodge really doing this like that, bro. Dodge, Stellantis, Jeep, whoever y'all want to call it. Look at this big boy, bro. It just looked like a big restricted suitcase, bro. Ain't no way. So yeah, y'all, this right here is what's gonna make the car like quieter, I guess, or like have it restricted for the most part, y'all. So yeah, I can't believe they doing this like that. Fresh out the factory too, y'all. It's crazy, right? However, I definitely understand, CEEFAM, right? Not everybody want a car that's super loud right out the factory, you heard me? But yeah, like, I don't know. Even if they charge extra, bro, for the option, like $200 or whatever, bro, for it to come straight pipe instead of having this big boy, that'd be understandable, CEEFAM. But yeah, the boy's working right now though, bro. The boy's still over there working, CEEFAM. So yeah, just wanted to keep y'all updated. Wanted to show y'all this big suitcase I had on this board though, man. Cause this don't make no sense, bro. So just imagine just having 2 straight pipes right there instead of this big suitcase. Crazy as hell, bro. I can't believe them boys did that. All right, CEEFAM, so this right here is the name of the shop, man. Hernandez Suspension and Tire Shop, bro. Like, they do oil change, mufflers, wheel alignment, axles, shocks. They do everything here, man. So if y'all need some work done, make sure y'all come over here. How you doing, boss? Make sure y'all come over here, man, and hey, get y'all stuff done, man. You know, they took me as a walk-in, you know, so y'all can make an appointment, walk in, bro, all that good stuff, man. You know, so yeah, Hernandez Suspension and Tire Shop, bro. They do everything in here, bro. So yeah, I might have to ask them about a quote as far as like for the lowering springs, y'all. So we just now got the lowering springs in, you know what I mean, to my mother-in-law house, bro. So yeah, lowering springs just now came in, y'all. So I'm excited about that. So I may have to get a quote with them just to see, man, look, how much it's gonna be, you hear me? So yeah, I might come back here, man. It's all about forming that relationship with the shop, man. You know, I'm only here temporarily, y'all. So yeah, hopefully, bro, I would say maybe like 400 to get the lowering springs put on, man. So yeah, stay tuned, man. I'm about to go back, walk around, and just check. Yo, I'm telling y'all, boy, man, they own the whole block, it seemed like, bro, or everybody know each other or something, man. So shit, them boys got a Can-Am just sitting right there, bro. This hard, bro. This boy here is hard, you hear me? So yeah, bro, like I'm really just walking around. Like I feel comfortable out here though, bro. You heard me? I don't feel like I'm in danger or nothing like that, bro. Shit, good San Antonio, Texas, y'all. Shit, neighborhood, look whatever. I've seen worse. So, but yeah, man, they whole little operation, they whole shop is straight, y'all. So yeah, if you need anything, bro, come over here, Hernandez. You know, they gonna take care of y'all boys, man. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, y'all. Hey, first looks, man. Oh, up underneath here, bro. So as y'all see, man, no more big suitcase, bro. Got 2 straight pipes, man. Hey, I appreciate the work, bro. What's your name? What's your name? Your name?
Misael.
Misael? Hey, man, Misael. Shout out to you, my boy. Thank you for that, man. So yeah, y'all see this boy, man. You heard me? Got the weld. I'm not a welder, but you know, hey, look good to be there. As long as everything good, y'all, shit, we should be straight, man. So yeah, ready for the first start up. I'm gonna get up out their way. Oh, thank you, thank you. Sheesh. Shout out to my boy, man. My boy talking that talk. I don't know what he's saying, but he's talking that talk, man. My boy, my CM. Sheesh. I'm ready to hear this boy, man. First one gonna be epic, bro. First one gonna be crazy, bro. Comment down below, man. Shit, tell me what y'all think whenever y'all actually do start it up. But I don't know. He might get the first start up right now. I have the key, so he might not be able to. But let me see. Let me see. Yo, the key? Yeah, I got. Yeah, I got you, my boy. I do it. Okay. All right, y'all. Hey, first start up right here, man. Let me know what y'all think. I'm very, I just want to hear this boy go crazy. Let me see. Yeah, that bitch. Yeah. God, my boy like that. So one more time. One more time. One more time. One more time. Shit. Woo. Thank you. My boy, God damn. This boy sound crazy. CEEFAM, let me know what y'all think. Mid-muffler delete, man. That's all y'all need on these cars, bro. Well, I don't need no Corsa. I don't need no Borla. I don't need none of that, y'all. I just need a mid-muffler delete, and I'm set, man. So this boy is screaming. You hear me? Yeah. Hey, screaming, y'all. Sheesh. Shout out to my boy, man. Got me right. Simple, smooth, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you. Shit. Yeah, I just gotta pay right quick, man. I gotta pay, but yeah. Hey, just by cutting this boy right here off, man. Please cut this off, y'all. Trackhawk, y'all Charger, whatever it is y'all got, man. Please cut this boy off, man. Cause yeah, y'all heard it, man. The startups is ridiculous, bro. He just revved it, and I don't even think he revved it in track. I really just think he revved it in normal mode it's in right now, auto, right, y'all? So just imagine put that boy in track. Yeah, she will. Yeah, this boy sound crazy, bro. Yeah, nice. Comment down below, CEEFAM. Is a mid muffler delete worth it? I think it's the best bang for your buck mod on any muscle car you got, bro. So don't spend your money, waste your money on exhaust and all that, bro. Hey, come do y'all mid muffler delete first. See how that sounds. See how y'all feel about that, and then go from there, man. So yes, sir. Bro, I don't even know if y'all heard anything, bro. Swear, you know what I mean? Yeah. CEEFAM, when I tell y'all this boy is so loud, bro. Watch that bit. And this boy got pops too. Oh my God, bro. I'm in like a residential neighborhood right now. Man, this boy is so loud. I ain't gonna hold y'all, bro. So it used to be like whenever I would hit the gas, the whine would be a lot more louder than the actual exhaust. But now, man, I hope, bro, y'all boys can't really grasp what I'm going through right now. But man, this boy, my God, y'all, this boy is so loud now, bro. Makes no sense, dude. Bro, I hope y'all can hear this boy, man. This bit. Now I feel like it's the perfect combination, bro, of like the whine, but also the exhaust part is there too. I feel like the exhaust on this car was really lacking, man. You know, so the previous owner, whoever had this car, CEEFAM, like they wasn't fond of, you know, the exhaust on this car, bro, which is cool, you know, to each their own, bro. Different strokes for different folks, you heard me? So, but yeah, just want to give y'all boys an inside POV kind of, man. I got my wide angle lens on right now, so I'm just shit finna, I don't know, might hit the Starbucks or something, man, get the wife something, and then yeah, I had my boy hit that bit for y'all too. I was gonna hit it, bro, afterwards, bro, but I'm like, hey man, you can hit that bit for me, and bro, he definitely hit that bit too. So I was like, okay, appreciate that, my boy. So yeah, that's that, bro. I was like, okay. But yeah, man, I'm not trying to sit here, bro, and like prolong the video, CEEFAM. I'm not trying to do none of that, bro. Let me know exactly what y'all think. My wife always calling me, man, can't make a video. But yeah, let me know what y'all boys think, CEEFAM. And then yeah, y'all new to the channel. Y'all new to the channel, bro. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. I'm C Will, and y'all CEEFAM. Now holla at y'all boys next time, baby.